Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have these are ZOERAX, and these are pass-through Ethernet connectors. We're going to check these out. Look at the way it comes packaged. It's almost like a tennis can packaging. Not sure why they pack it like that if these really need to be airtight, but here we go. And this is what they look like here. I don't have my crimper, so I'm not able to show you guys it in action, but you can kind of see what it is here. You pass through the little wires all the way through, and then it's got the little crimper piece in there. So when you squish it down, it'll hold the wire in there. So it comes with a whole bunch of them, and it's a nice little container. It comes like that, so I can just stick this into my bag of electronic stuff, and I am going to be good to go. So it's the RJ45 Cat6 pass-through connectors, and so it's nice to have a whole bunch of these. So whenever I do my next wiring job, I'll have everything I need. So super cool. Thumbs up.